In this video, we will see how to connect Salesforce Cases and Salesforce Sandbox with Enjo. First, head over to the global settings. Once there, click on the Apps section. Next, hit the Connect Apps option, and from the recommended list, choose Salesforce Cases. Go ahead and click on Add New. For the connection name, type suitable name. Make sure to select Workspace Visibility, then proceed by clicking the Connect button. You'll see the Salesforce authorization screen now. Take a moment to review the requested permissions, and when you're ready, click the Allow button. The Salesforce cases are now in progress to connection to Enjo. See it's connected successfully. If you have a Salesforce Sandbox account and want to integrate that with Enjo, click on Connect Apps once again, and this time, select the Salesforce Cases option from the sidebar menu. Now you'll need to paste the Salesforce Sandbox URL into the input field and then click the Add New button. Finally, you're redirected to the Salesforce Access page. Click Allow to complete and finalize the connection.